Hello kids, I have so many colors for you. मेरे पास आपके लिए ढेर सारे कलर्स हैं. Let's learn colors name. Orange color, red color, blue color, sky color, white color, black color, golden color, light green color, yellow color, brown color, dark green color, Today we will learn alphabet with fruit names. Let's start. A for avocado. Avocado means avocado. V for banana. Banana means kela. C for cherry. Cherry means cherry. D for date. Date means khajur. E for elderberry. Elderberry means badhar. F for fig. Fig means anjeer. G for grapes. Grapes means angur. H for honey wave. Honey wave means शहद वाला तरबूज. Pink color A for avocado. Avocado means avocado. B yellow color. B for banana. Banana means kela. C sky color. C for cherry. Cherry means cherry. D light green color. D for dates. Dates means khajur. Orange color E for elderberry. Elderberry means badhar. Red color F for fig. Fig means anjeer. Green color G for grapes. Grapes means angur. H orange color. H for honeydew. Honeydew means शहद वाला तरबूज. A B C D E F G H I for Indian plum. Indian plum means jamun. J for jackfruit. Jackfruit means kathar. K for kiwi. Kiwi means kiwi. L for lemon. Lemon means nibu. M for mango. Mango means aam. N for nectarine. O for orange. Orange means santara. P. P for papaya. Papaya means papita. Green color. I. I for Indian plum. Indian plum means jamun. J. Pink color. J for jackfruit. Jackfruit means kathal. K. Yellow color. K for kiwi. Kiwi means kiwi. L. Red color. L for lemon. Lemon means nimu. M. Sky color. M for mango. Mango means aam. N. Orange color. N for nectarine. Nectarine means nectarine. O. O. Green color. O for orange. Orange means santra. P. Pink color. P for papaya. Papaya means papita. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. Q for queens. Queens means behama. R. R for raspberry. Raspberry means raspberry. S. S for strawberry. Strawberry means strawberry. T. T for tangerine. Tangerine means tangerine. U. U for ugly fruit. Ugly fruit means ugly fruit. V. V for Victoria plum. Victoria plum means Victoria plum. W. W for watermelon. Watermelon means tarbooj. Green color. Q. Q for queens. Queens means behma. R. Red color. R. R for raspberry. Raspberry means raspberry. S. Sky color. S for strawberry. Strawberry means strawberry. T. Pink color. T for tangerine. Tangerine means tangerine. U. U for ugly fruit. Ugly fruit means ugly fruit. V. V for Victoria plum. Victoria plum means Victoria plum. W. W for watermelon. Watermelon means tarbooj. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. X for Gemania. Gemania means Gemania. Y. Y for Yuzu. Yuzu means Yuzu. Z. Z for Jujuba. Jujuba means Jujuba. Red color. X. X for Gemania. Gemania means Gemania. Green color. Y. Y for Yuzu. Z. Blue color. Z for Zuzuba. X. Y. Z. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.